Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you copied something important but forgot to paste it, don't worry. Let's quickly learn how to access your clipboard history on your Android phone. First, open your keyboard by clicking on any text input area. I'm using Google Keyboard, also known as Gboard. Once your keyboard is open, look for the clipboard icon. It's usually at the top of the keyboard or in the toolbar. Tap on it. And here, your clipboard history appears, showing all the recent items you've copied. You can tap at any item to paste it again. Swipe left on an item to delete it, or tap edit to modify the copied text. Some keyboards allow you to pin items for later use. That's it. Managing clipboard history is that easy. For more quick tips, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.